Okay, sorry about the interruption there. I accidentally pressed stop recording instead of pause recording. Oops. Let's look the z-score up on our z-table. We're looking for 1.63 on the z-table. So I've got your z-table up here. I'm looking at, you can see I've got it highlighted on the screen right there, 1.63. That's a probability of 0.9484. And remember, this is a greater than problem, so you need to do 1 minus the value that's on the table. Looking up 1.63, that's 0.9484, but we need to do 1 minus 0.9484. We found a p-value. Here, p is equal to 0.0516. The probability of getting a sample result that's as or more extreme than the one we got, assuming that the null hypothesis is true, p equals 0.5, is about a 5.16% chance. Okay, cool. So let's make our conclusion. Based on this, what are we going to decide? Remember, if p is small, specifically p is less than 0.05, because we're using alpha equals 0.05, then we reject. Otherwise, if p is bigger than 0.05, we fail to reject. And that's the situation that we're in here. Here it's close, but still 0.0516 is bigger than 0.05, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis. In other words, in this example, we didn't find strong evidence to suggest that the population, or proportion, of female students at Denison is greater than 50%. The end. That was our first hypothesis test. And that's what these things are all about. We start with a question. We suspect that there's more than 50% female students. We summarize the data with a test statistic. Each test that we do is going to have a different test statistic. We use that test statistic to get a p-value. That's a probability. And finally, we make our conclusion about what's going on. If the p-value is small, we reject the null hypothesis. If the p-value is large, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And that's all. That's all. I guess that was a whole lot, right? I'm going to give you guys a practice problem that's pretty similar. Try it out. I will post the solution in the next video. I want you guys to think about it. Until then, see you next time, guys.